Alright, so this is what I came up with. I really hope you guys like it. It's simple. I didn't want to do something crazy, something you guys couldn't follow to do with me. So I just used 3 different palettes. You can use whatever you guys have, and I just used 4 colors, and that's it. It was really easy. 5 colors. It was that easy. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use the 35 G palette. This one was relaunched. A lot of people asked me, hey, do you know if they're gonna restock this one? And first they had said that this was a holiday collection, they were not going to. Then they surprised us and brought it back. So if you guys want to get your hands on it, I think they still have them available. This is the 35G palette, and you can use my code prettygrace for some money off. I'm going to be using this color right here and apply it right onto my crease. And I'm using a R38 brush. If you guys are interested in a brush video, please let me know. I want to film one for you guys because I did get some goodies. And I wanted to share with you guys, but I'm not sure if you guys are interested in watching those kind of videos. So definitely let me know. So I'm just going to blend out I'm going to apply this right onto my crease. This is going to be my transition color. Just going to apply that, grab a little bit more, and just kind of blend that into the skin. Alright, then I'm going to go with the Jaclynhill palette. I'm going to use this yellowish color right here with that same brush. And I'm going to apply this right onto the crease as well. So it's going to turn this like a little orangey shade. It's already orangey anyway, so I'm just going to apply this right onto the crease. Then I'm going to go with the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna grab that yellow shade, and that's gonna go right onto my lid. And I'm gonna use another Morphe brush. Yeah, and I'm just going to pack this color onto the lid. And you want to take your time with this. I like to take my time with it because I want it to get very pigmented, so I do pack it on. So I just kind of go like around it, like so. So far looks good. Then I'm just going to go back with the 30. Is it 35? Was it? Yes, the 35G palette. And I'm going to grab this yellow shade right here, gold shimmery. And I'm going to apply a little bit of setting spray onto my Morphe M210 brush. And I'm going to apply this color right in the inner corner of the eyes just to make it pop. It's like a gold tone. There we go. For my waterline, I'm actually using a Rimmel London Scandal Eyes. This one is in the color Nude. And I'm applying this right into my waterline. This has become one of my favorites. And then for the eyeshadow on my brow bone, I'm going to use the same 35G. I'm going to use this one right here. I'm just going to apply a little bit and then just kind of, just a little bit. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just a little shimmer will do. Then I'm going to go back with my brush and then reapply this color because I feel like it's disappearing on me. Alright, I'm going to go back again and apply more of that little bit of yellow just to kind of brighten it up a little bit more. So for under the eyes right here, I'm going to go ahead and apply the yellow. That's going to be my transition color here. And then I'm gonna go back and reapply the Jaclynhill yellowy tone, the outer corner. That's basically it. I'm not gonna apply the other one. Just gonna clean this out a little bit. So for eyelashes, I'm going with the Bold Cosmetics lashes. This one is in Make It Count. So pretty. I'm gonna show you guys. And I do have a discount code with them. I believe it's prettygrace for money off. Definitely check them out. I do list all my discount codes in the bottom if you guys are interested in purchasing anything from my links down below. I really appreciate you guys supporting my taco addiction. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lash glue to the and let them get tacky a little bit. I'm gonna go back again and reapply that gold shade just so that it pops a little bit more. Alright, while that's getting tacky, I'm gonna go ahead with my Milk Makeup mascara and I'm gonna apply some to prepare my lashes for my falsies. Apply some to the bottom. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and apply my falsies. So I'm just going to go ahead and contour my nose because I forgot to do that. And then highlight and we can move on. So I'm going to use the same thing I used to contour my face. Just to contour my nose a little bit. Alright. So then after I contour my nose, I like to go ahead and apply some setting powder around it. For highlight, I don't know what I want to do. Let's try a highlight. We'll do the Maybelline Master Chrome. This one is so pretty. And I'm going to use this one. This is the Anastasia brush. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove my nose contour. And then with a little tiny, well not tiny, but with a brush, gonna go ahead and highlight my nose. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. I'm gonna spray it with setting spray. So for lip gloss, I really have been loving this one. I even had to get it from the cart because I left it there. This is the one called Boho, a lip gloss from Morphe. I can honestly not wear right now a dry liquid lipstick because my lips are kind of chapped. I think it's because of the weather, so I can't even stretch them out because I feel like they rip. Let me know if I'm the only one that's happening to, because I think it's the weather. Alright. I'm gonna apply some more mascara now that my falsies are on. And this should be the final look. I really hope you guys like this video. It was a simple yellow look, and I really like how yellow looks on me, especially with my black hair. So yeah, let me know if you guys are gonna try it. If you guys do, please tag me. I would love to see them on Instagram and Facebook. And I want to thank you guys again for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.